which is watching a video while making a video. Between this video, it's really amazing. It's Dear Fair and Lovely, Are We Still Doing It by Jovita George. Amazing video. Like Fair and Lovely, people who are applying this to get fair, like why are you doing this to yourself? You're beautiful. It's just that you have to accept it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Chetna Gambhir. I'm transforming myself, the young Chetna Gambhir, into the old Chetna Gambhir using makeup. Let's jump right into it. If you like it, then like it and subscribe. Smash that subscribe button, it would mean a lot to me. Also share it with your friends. Thank you. Okay. So for this look, I'm using my Krylon Professional Makeup Supra Color, and we'll just play with the darker tones and the lighter tones. Like I'm not gonna apply any foundation. I'm not gonna do anything. Primer, moisturize, CTM karo, cleansing, toning, moisturizing and primer, and just jump right into it. So yeah, I'll just make my lines using this flat brush. So I'll start with you have to basically play the game of light and shadow over here. So the colors that I'm gonna use are CHIN from the Supra palette. This is a very dark warm tone brown. Ivory from Supra palette, and Sora 072 from Supra palette, and FS27 from Supra palette. So all the shades that I'm using are from Supra palette. And yeah, that's it. Let's jump right into it. Now I'll stop talking and you just have to watch. I'm looking bold enough. So I'm just darkening up the areas जो already थोड़े dark लग रहे हैं as per my face. Like this is the darker area. यहाँ पे हमेशा dark होता है, ये चीज़ हमेशा highlight होता है, ये चीज़ हमेशा bony है. So this will always come up, but this thing will always, I don't know, it will get sucked in. So we'll darken the areas which are already kind of dark. जहाँ पे आपको पता है आप आगे जाके बूढ़े हो गए तो वो sunken करेगा, which is the very basic thing. ये तो सबसे पहले करते हैं. Your nose gets more bony as you get old. You can go even darker over here. So I'll take my favorite Makeup Revolution palette. Whenever I'm taking इसका नाम ना, I'll just say favorite all the time because I love this palette. I'll take the very dark brown from here, so dark, and So if you can see, I've done my other cheek as well. I'll just blend this in. And now I'll take my flat brush and highlight just उसके ऊपर to give that more depth and shadow and light feel. Okay, even your eyes from this side get sucked in. I'll just do this. Also, I'll do my eyebrows with the ivory and mixed shade of FS29. So these are my lines after squinting a bit. If you can see, just follow your lines. That's it. That's the game here. So ऐसा है, मेरा कैमरा जो है वो बंद हो गया था क्योंकि उसमें बैटरी ख़त्म हो गया था. सो मैंने चार्ज कर लिया एंड हम फटाफट करेंगे अपनी नेक को कॉन्टूर. सो नेक को कॉन्टूर कैसे करोगे? जो ये पार्ट है, ये हाईलाइट रहेगा. ओके, सो दिस इज now we'll do the detailing and we'll just get over with it because literally I'm doing this for like more than an hour now. I'll just do the detailing by keeping my mouth shut. So just doing the contour part and making it more dark. guys, now I'm going to take this concealer and put it over here आगे. हाँ. So guys, this is a complete look. I hope you like it. I had so much fun making it. The very important thing that I've not done is this. Wait. Setting it with a powder, because like, girl, you want it there for like, if you want it for a longer period of time, you gotta set it with the powder. The lips, the cheeks, the contour. With the contour powder, you can take your eyeshadow, or you can take any like I have taken this WANA contour shade and just do this and just apply it over here, because we have used mostly cream. So yeah guys, that's it for the tutorial. This is a very awesome fun makeup look to do. I had so much fun making this video. I don't know why didn't I do it. I know this look for like, I don't know, year or two. I don't know why didn't I do it. But anyways, I'm sure if you are gonna like it, I'm definitely gonna make more looks like this. Probably next time we'll make a more sexy grandma with little makeup and everything. So yeah, if you like it, then like it, subscribe that button. I'm sure you like this video, so please don't forget to subscribe. Make sure to subscribe, would mean a lot to me. And share it with your friends and tell them, let's do this chill fun look and let's see how will we look. Okay, so yeah, that's it, and yeah, see you in my next video. Bye. Okay guys, if you're still here, with this makeup look we can go in so much of depth. We can go and make this look more like or 90s or 100s. क्योंकि मैं इतना रहूँगी नहीं, you know, I have such an amazing lifestyle, fitness, good habits. 90 is impossible. So but we can definitely, you know, grow that up with the depth of contour and highlight, play that game and get more into it and just do it, like convert this into more aged look. So yeah, play with it. If you do it, do #CG old to new, #CG old to new, and I love to see what all you guys did. And if you need any help, any suggestions, anything, DM me Instagram over here. I'm gonna help you for sure. Okay, bye now. पीठ दर्द हो रही है. मैं already putting away you शायद. You can also do hands. बहुत टाइम लगेगा. अभी hands को छोड़ देते हैं और अभी नर्स देखते हैं. This is Chetan अभी. सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो कर दो. अभी तक देख रहे हो मुझे.